Calendly is a scheduling tool that simplifies the process of booking appointments, making it easy for you and your clients to find mutually available times. Here's how to use Calendly effectively. Sign up and set up your account. Start by creating a free account on the Calendly website. After signing up, connect your calendar to ensure it syncs your availability automatically. Create event types. In your Calendly dashboard, create different event types. Set parameters for each event, including duration, location, and any specific questions you want to ask invitees during the booking process. Set your availability. Customize your availability for each event type. Specify the days and times you are free, and Calendly will automatically block off times when you're busy based on your connected calendar. Share your link. Once your event types are set up, share your unique Calendly link with clients via email, social media, or your website. Invitees can click on the link to view your availability and book a time that works for them. Manage appointments. After appointments are booked, you will receive notifications, and your calendar will be updated automatically. You can also reschedule or cancel appointments through the platform.